Tracking client feedback and project history doesn't have to be complicated. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you an easy and efficient way to track both, saving you time and keeping everything organized. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage client feedback and project history effortlessly, and I'll share a powerful tool to help you do it. So if you've ever struggled with keeping up with client feedback or have a project history that's hard to follow, stay tuned because this method will simplify your workflow in no time. And if you're looking for the perfect tool to make this all even easier, stick around. I'll be sharing an exclusive offer just for you. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do when tracking client feedback is to centralize all communication. Whether it's emails, calls, or messages, having a single place where all client interactions are logged will save you from scrambling to find important notes later. The key here is consistency. Every time you receive feedback, positive or negative, log it immediately. Now, the second step is categorizing the feedback. Breaking down comments into actionable categories like design suggestions, project delays, or satisfaction helps make sense of the feedback. This way, you can focus on areas that need improvement without getting lost in a sea of unorganized notes. Next, keep a running log of the project history. Record every milestone, decision made, and key dates. This helps you keep track of what's been done and where things are going. Trust me, having a clear project history gives you and your clients the clarity to understand progress without constant back and forth. Once you have everything logged and categorized, use a software solution to track and manage these details. Our software will be a great fit for this. It's designed to capture feedback, organize it, and tie it directly to the project's timeline. So, instead of bouncing between emails, notes, and spreadsheets, you have one platform to see the complete picture. One of the best things about using our software is the ability to track ongoing conversations. Every time a client gives feedback, you can link it directly to the task or milestone it impacts. This makes follow-ups easier and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. And here's where it gets even better. Our software has an intuitive interface that will help you easily see feedback trends and project history at a glance. It's perfect for small teams or solo entrepreneurs who need to manage client relationships without the complexity of bigger systems. But here's a quick tip. Automate your reminders for feedback. This way, you won't need to keep chasing clients for responses. You can set automated reminders for regular check-ins, which will help you maintain smooth communication throughout the project. Now, let's recap. Tracking client feedback and project history is all about centralizing your communication, categorizing feedback, and keeping a detailed log of project milestones. Using software to manage all of this helps streamline the process and gives you full visibility into your projects. The key takeaway here is that simplifying how you track client feedback and project history doesn't just save you time, it helps you build stronger relationships with clients and avoid costly mistakes. Before you go, don't forget to check the description below for an exclusive free trial of the software we used in this video. It's the perfect tool to help you track client feedback and project history the easy way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.